In this video, I will show you how to fix if you're getting an error message for League of Legends which says there was an unexpected error with the login session, please try again. So if you are experiencing an error message like this, there's a couple of things you're going to want to try. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to come to your desktop, and the first thing I would recommend is to try signing out and signing back in of the Riot client. So what you want to do is open this up, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile. Then come down and click on sign out, and then go ahead and log back into your account. So once you've logged back in, this should fix any temporary login problems and should enable you to play League of Legends. Now if that didn't work for you and you're still experiencing the error message, the next thing you're going to want to do is close any processes or tasks related to League of Legends and Riot Games. So to do this, what you want to do is come down to your taskbar, right click and then click onto Task Manager. From here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll through under the processes option and close anything related to Riot Client or League of Legends. So if you come down where it says background processes, and what you want to do, this is all alphabetical order, so if there's anything related to League of Legends, you'll see it here. You can just right click and click onto end task. So for example, the Riot Client down here, what we want to do is right click onto this and click onto end task. So anything related to Riot Client or League of Legends, you want to end task from here, go ahead and close this off, log back into Riot Client and try and load up the game again. So if you're still experiencing problems, it could actually be that the Riot game servers are down currently. So if you want to go ahead and check on this, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, and you want to come across to this website here, which is called status.riotgames.com. From here, go ahead and select your language. And this is going to show any current problems or ongoing issues with the Riot Game servers. So what you can do as well is scroll down and you can click onto League of Legends. Go ahead and select your region from here and of course your language and click continue. And again, if there's any current issues with the League of Legends servers, you will see that from here. So you can see at the moment there's a warning, it says there's issues with the Soul Fighter hub. So what you need to do is just keep an eye on this and wait until that is resolved. So if there's nothing wrong with the servers, it could actually be some of your internet settings that could be preventing you from logging in. So if you're using like a VPN, you might want to try disabling that first by coming down to the bottom left hand corner, clicking onto the search icon and typing VPN into here. Underneath best match, you're going to see VPN settings. If you click onto this is going to take you across to a screen like this. Now from here, if you're currently using a VPN, then what you're going to want to do is turn that off and try and open up League of Legends again and see if that resolves the issue. If it doesn't and you don't have a VPN enabled, what I would recommend is maybe try using a VPN to see if that could fix the problem. So that's a few things you can try and resolve this issue with League of Legends and getting the error message. If you're still having problems, what I would recommend doing is reaching out to Riot Game support. And if you send them a message, so if you go across to support.riotgames.com, you'll be able to send them a message and they'll be able to look into that further and advise you on further steps you can take to resolve this issue. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.